I'm here because I like cool projects. I'm here because I like interesting projects and revolutionary projects. And Longshot's mission of shooting something into space and launching fully on kinetic energy, that's really exciting to me. I think that is a platform for a technology that has not been fully explored, and that's the kind of project that I want to work on. I have a background in industrial tech, so pretty much all hardware and mechanical. But I also have that passion for aerospace that led me through this career path. And it kind of landed me in a situation where I didn't want to work at a large company because I wanted to get my hands dirty. I wanted to be able to do hardware testing, physically manufacture things that I can design. And that really doesn't exist on a quick turnaround at large companies. Everybody here wears a bunch of different hats. One week I'll be designing a test rig, the other week I'll be helping manufacture that test rig. Some days I'll be manufacturing an accelerator, like here in our Alameda building, and then other days it'll be 12 hours of computer work just doing analysis and documentation. It's a very exciting and rewarding kind of work. People like to frame engineers as like problem solvers, but we're the ones that invent the problems. So I think the best way to frame it is engineers solve problems that we create. My favorite television show growing up was Star Trek. Early on when I was interning here, I was theorizing like the only way we can build the Utopa Plantisha shipyards that are the pinnacle of the Star Trek universe is if we were able to build the space station. And I'm like, well, in order to do that, you got to get metal and electronics and all of the things that you would need into space first. And that's what this company aims at. It's really an altruistic mission of changing what humanity's capable of by opening up a door to something that was unexplored.